Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Rowe Price Workplace secure access step by step clearly. To log into Rowe Price Workplace, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Rowe Price website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the login button to be redirected to the secure access page. On the secure access page, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Before proceeding, make sure all your information is entered correctly. Once you have verified your login credentials, click the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be successfully logged into your Rowe Price Workplace account. In case you encounter any issues, look for the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your username or reset your password if necessary. After completing the login process, navigate through your account to access the services you need. Remember to log out securely after you are done, especially on shared devices. Enjoy managing your investments at Rowe Price with ease and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.